helping you find your happiness, how to recover from being a victim of gaslighting. Today, we're considering a really important topic: how to recover from gaslighting. If you've ever felt like you're going crazy, doubting your own memories or perceptions because of someone else's manipulation, you might have experienced gaslighting. It's a form of emotional abuse that can leave deep scars, but recovery is possible. Let's talk about what gaslighting is and how you can start healing from its effects. Gaslighting is a type of psychological manipulation where someone makes you question your own reality. They might deny events you clearly remember, twist your words, or even tell you that you're imagining things. It's named after the 1944 film Gaslight, where a husband manipulates his wife into believing she's losing her mind. Now, before we dive deeper, I want you to know that if you stick around, I'll be sharing some powerful techniques that have helped many people regain their confidence and trust in themselves after experiencing gaslighting. These are methods you can start using today to reclaim your sense of reality. So, what does gaslighting actually look like? Imagine you're in a relationship and your partner consistently shows up late to your dates. When you bring it up, they insist you're overreacting or that you've got the times wrong. They might say things like, "You always exaggerate," or "You're too sensitive." Over time, you start to doubt your own perception of events and may even apologize for bringing it up. Another example could be in a workplace setting. Your boss might promise you a promotion, but when the time comes, they deny ever making that promise. They might even suggest that you've misunderstood or fabricated the conversation entirely. This leaves you feeling confused and unsure of your own memory. Recognizing gaslighting is the first step toward recovery. Some common signs include constantly second-guessing yourself, feeling confused or crazy, apologizing all the time, and having difficulty making simple decisions. If these sound familiar, know that you're not alone and that there are ways to heal. Now, let's talk about recovery. The first and most crucial step is to trust yourself again. This can be challenging after experiencing gaslighting, but it's essential. Start by keeping a journal. Write down your experiences, thoughts, and feelings. This creates a record that you can refer back to when you start doubting yourself. It's also a powerful tool for recognizing patterns of manipulation. Next, seek support from trusted friends, family members, or a therapist. Having outside perspectives can help validate your experiences and provide a reality check. A therapist, in particular, can offer professional guidance and techniques to rebuild your self-esteem and set healthy boundaries. Speaking of boundaries, learning to establish and maintain them is crucial in recovering from gaslighting. This might mean limiting contact with the person who gaslit you, or being firm about your needs and perceptions in future relationships. Remember, it's okay to say no and to stand up for your own reality. Another effective technique is practicing mindfulness. This can help you stay grounded in the present moment and become more aware of your thoughts and feelings. Try simple meditation exercises or deep breathing techniques when you feel overwhelmed or start to doubt yourself. It's also important to educate yourself about gaslighting and emotional abuse. Understanding the tactics used by gaslighters can help you spot them more easily in the future and protect yourself. There are many great books and resources available on this topic. Now let's talk about some scientific evidence. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychology found that individuals who experienced gaslighting often showed symptoms similar to those of post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. This underscores the serious psychological impact of this form of abuse. The good news is that the same study also found that cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, was effective in helping victims recover and rebuild their sense of self. Another important aspect of recovery is rebuilding your self-confidence. Start by setting small goals that are readily achievable for yourself. These could be as simple as making a decision about what to have for dinner without second-guessing yourself, or expressing an opinion to a friend without apologizing for it. Celebrate these small victories. They're important steps toward reclaiming your autonomy. Remember, recovery is a process, and as such, it does take time. Be patient with yourself. There might be setbacks along the way, but each step forward is progress. It's okay to have days where you struggle or doubt yourself. While gaslighting is undoubtedly painful, you can use what you've learned to become more resilient and empathetic. Many survivors find that they develop a stronger sense of self and become better at recognizing manipulation in all forms. Lastly, consider sharing your story when you feel ready. This could be with a support group, a trusted friend, or even anonymously online. Sharing can be incredibly empowering and can help others who might be going through similar experiences. To wrap up, recovering from gaslighting is about reclaiming your reality and learning to trust yourself again. It's about building a support system, setting boundaries, and developing tools to stay grounded in your own experiences. Remember, you are not too sensitive, and your feelings are valid. If you are currently dealing with gaslighting or recovering from it, I want you to know that you are stronger than you realize. Recovery is possible, and you deserve to live a life free from manipulation and self-doubt. Take it one day at a time, be kind to yourself, and keep moving forward. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, share it with your friends so we can bring you more ideas. For more videos like this to help elevate your happiness, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get notified of our next post. Thanks for watching.